Are you struggling with slow hair growth or struggling with hair fall? In this video, I will show you how to use curry leaves to naturally boost hair growth and reduce hair fall. Curry leaves are rich in antioxidants, protein, and vitamins that strengthen your hair roots and promote healthy hair. Please stay glued. Let's see this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share out. I wish you good health and happiness. You're welcome to my channel. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you. If this is your first time in this house, please do well, feel at home, do well to subscribe and stay glued. Turn on the notification bell. In today's DIY, we'll be needing fresh rosemary, fresh curry leaves, and original shea butter. Yeah, original shea butter. You don't want something that has chemicals inside it. So you have seen me with my fresh leaves. I'm just like, after washing it, taking it off the stem, I'll go ahead to dry it because I wouldn't want water inside my butter. So after doing that, a little bit dried, okay, just in the house, you don't have to put it outside to avoid dust or whatever works for you is okay. That's my little grinder. I used it to grind it, just to crush them. Okay, if you want to make it a paste, you can just add oil and put it in your blender. That's also perfect. All right, so here I just made it to crush a little, then I incorporated it into my oil that I'm going to be using. Okay, any carrier oil of your choice is perfect. I used olive oil and amla oil. The amla oil I use is 100% amla oil, trust me. Okay, so that's what I used, and of course I use coconut oil. You can go ahead and just fry this on your pan, but I chose to use double boiler method, okay, so as to prevent it from overheating. Guys, whatever works for you is perfect. All right, rosemary has got lots of benefit for the hair. Okay, it increases blood circulation, follicle stimulations. It also improves scalp health by soothing any irritation that you may be facing. Rosemary helps to fight dandruff, balances oil production, to the hair. Okay, nourishes hair, adds shine. Okay, so if you are facing any dandruff issues on your scalp, you need rosemary. The oil is perfect, the butter is perfect, the spray tea is perfect. Curry leaves strengthen hair follicles, making hair more resistant to breakage and promoting new hair growth. Curry leaves are rich in antioxidants that combat oxidative stress, a major factor in premature graying. So curry leaves helps to prevent your hair from graying prematurely. Curry leaf soothes and moisturizes the scalp by reducing dryness and flakiness. It helps improve hair texture, making it smoother and less frizzle. They can also help reduce split ends and breakage, leading to healthier looking hair. There are different ways you can use curry leaf for your massive hair growth. You can check my channel. I have how to make curry powder, how to make curry mask, hair mask. All these are what you need by helping your hair to grow longer, smoother, and healthy. Please do not dispose the chaff. You can still use it for another DIY. You watch out, I'm going to make a video on how to use it. So now I left it to solidify in the fridge or on the surface, whichever works for you. Here is my glycerin, here is my cocoa butter and my grapeseed oil. I incorporated them. You can put any of your choice, lavender oil, clove oil, whichever works for you, onion oil, lemon oil, whichever works for you. You have to add it into it. I mixed it up thoroughly. That's my vitamin E, which also moisturizes your skin and your scalp. So I put them all together and mixed it thoroughly. This is the texture you want to get, something perfect like this. As you can see, there's no preservative on this DIY. If it is too thick, that means you need oil, and if it is too watery, that means you need more butter. Just get a perfect texture like this. Here I put it on what I'm going to use to pipe. Okay, you can just use your cup, your spoon, and scoop, and that's fine. This is it here, just giving it a perfect look. Okay, I hope it looks good in your eyes. Please do well to like the video if you have watched to this extent. Do well to subscribe if you have not, and refer this channel to others. Okay, look at this. The fragrance of this oil is perfect. It is giving luxury. Here is the one I didn't mix. So like I said earlier, there are two ways. You can do it this way, or you can make it this way. If you don't have the time to start any mixing, you don't have a hand mixer or whatever, you can just do it this way and you're perfect to go. This is mixed. Look at it, just melts away and it smells so good. You don't have any issue to worry about. Thank you for watching this channel. God bless you for this video you supported. Do well to like it, please. I need your thumbs up. Do well to share out if you don't mind. If you subscribe, please turn on the notification bell. I will see you again in the next video. Bye.